For the easiest way to take out the AC compressor on the 55S class AMG, so y'all fools don't struggle, just pull the goddamn fan out. And that's it.
That's the easiest way. People want to take this out, people want to take the other pulley out.
Niggas want to take out the power steering and shit, but fuck all that. Fan, boom, and you got it. Beautiful day today. We're in a nice area. We're really from the ghetto. Oh, yeah. Also remember to have a fucking tarp. Yep. Look at these bends, it's bad.
Hey, son, I'm gonna put the pulley back there. That fucking Benz mechanic? Yeah, only for me, motherfuckers.
Huh.
Only for me.
Yup, only for you.
Only for real niggas.
Only real niggas get a real bend mechanic.
Only real niggas want to learn.
Knowing that this is the easiest.
Alright, this shit need to be tight.